Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't know about you guys, but when I drive my GR86 at night, I feel like the headlights are a tad too low and they could be a little bit higher. So today I'm gonna go try to make some adjustment to them. There are two of these adjustment knobs on each side you can make adjustment to. One is here, the other one is back here. Now the head, it's a 8mm head. You can use a 8mm socket with a ratchet, but the one back here, you're not going to reach it. So what you can do is get a Phillips screwdriver and come in here and make turns with these teeth. Now the one back there, to reach it, there's a little hole on top of the headlight. You just have to get a long enough Phillips screwdriver, stick it in there and turn. Now I'm going to throw the instruction on the screen. They said that however many turns you make on one, you're gonna match it with the other one. I'm guessing one is low beam, the other is high beam. I forgot to mention one thing. The owner's manual or the instruction makes no mention about auto leveling system. This is a premium trim, so it has that. So now it got me thinking, will the system know that I made changes and leave it alone, or it will just mess with the changes I made? This will be interesting. There is a parking garage deck at the mall near me, and it's pretty flat and level. Today is Sunday. The mall closes at 6. It should be dead after dinner time, so I'm gonna head over there and see if I can make good adjustments on these headlights and see what happens. I am at the parking garage deck at the mall. As I expected, it's Sunday night, it's dead. Nobody's here. Alright, anyway. So I'm actually not doing the conventional 25 feet away from the wall. I think I'm actually double that. This is basically 50 feet. My thinking is any slight little adjustment that I make here will be more pronounced at the wall. That's actually my sunshade for the windshield. So I just want to work on one headlight at a time. I read somewhere that if I turn the dial clockwise, they go up. Counterclockwise, they go down. So let's see. This is my left headlight. I'm gonna go make 3 turns in my screwdriver. This line should go up. The cutoff line went up a little bit. So that's one of the dials. So I'm gonna go make 3 turns again on the other dial. I'm betting that's my high beam. So I'm gonna flip my high beams on. I just don't know how much difference I can tell on this wall, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. Alright, so I took the sunshade off the right headlight so you can tell there's a difference. You see there are 2 distinct lines over there. So the higher one is the left one. The left headlight now is blocked off. So the dials towards the center of the car are for the low beams. So the ones on the outside by the fender towards the side of the car, I would have to assume they're for the high beams. So now I'm gonna make 3 turns on the screwdriver and make the low beam dial to go clockwise, and the cutoff line should come up. So I'm gonna put the camera back over here and get to work. I don't see 2 distinctive lines anymore. Maybe the right low beams can come up just a little bit more. So I'm gonna go make it 1 more turn on the screwdriver. I did walk in front of each headlights. The lines were overlapping. They're basically the same horizontal plane. So I wind up doing 3 turns on the screwdriver on the left side and 4 turns on the screwdriver on the right. So it is getting dark out. I'm gonna wait maybe 10-15 more minutes and I'm gonna go for a drive and see how they look. Before I hit the road, I shut the car off, locked it, armed it, and everything. And then I waited a minute, unlock it. I just climbed back in. I'm going to start the car up. I want to see if the auto level adjustment is going to mess with the adjustment that I just made, or it's just going to ignore it. So let's see. I'm going to start the car up. All right, car is on. I'm going to fire the headlights. Okay, they didn't move, and the headlights are a little bit higher. So, okay, that's good. Quick update. I thought I broke something, but I didn't. Well, at least I hope I did not, and it will stay working after tonight. Remember how I said earlier, this is a premium trim car. It has that auto leveling headlight thing, but this car also has what they call SRH. This is a steering responsive headlight. So basically, the headlights will kind of turn with your steering wheel, helps you see better at night. So I just did 2 laps on the same level. So when I was doing laps turning, the headlights didn't swivel or go anywhere. So I stopped the car, shut the headlights off. I turned this to off, turn it back on. So now it's working. So I don't know if I did something wrong or just a little quirky thing. After you make some adjustment to the headlights, you have to let it reset or something, but it's working now. So now I'm at the suburban dark side street, and oh, that's a Fox. They do look higher and better. I can see farther down the road. I'm not blinding people when I was coming over here. Sorry, my windshield is a little bit dirty, but this is better. And I'm gonna flip my high beams on and let's see. Oh yeah, this is a lot better than before. I'm glad I did this. Okay, so now this is just normal street driving. The cutoff line is a little bit farther down the road, so it's a little better and safer. So now I'm gonna do is going back to the mall parking deck, and I'm gonna go park the car the same spot, and I wanna see if the auto leveling system made any changes. You see how the headlights kind of turn with my steering wheel? So that's still working. So now I'm gonna go back to the same spot. I'm back. So the height of the headlights, they're still the same. So the auto leveling system did not mess with my adjustment that I made. Cool. All right, I'm happy with this. So hopefully this is helpful for you guys if you wanna make headlight adjustment in your GR86 or BRZ. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.